Hello, I'm Louise Thompson from the Infant Feed Inch team, and I will guide you through hand expression and breastfeeding. Before you begin expressing, it's beneficial to stimulate the hormones that facilitate milk flow. You can achieve this by massaging the breast gently. Remember, your breast tissue extends into your armpit and all around. Take a few minutes for massaging and nipple stimulation, as gentle nipple stimulation also aids in hormone stimulation. To initiate milk flow, it's crucial to compress and release. Imagine picking up a cup with a C-shape hand motion. Place the C-shape over your breast with the nipple in the middle. Compress and release, repeating the process. It may take a few minutes, especially in the early days postpartum when colostrum production is lower. Continue until the milk starts flowing, collecting it in a cup, syringe, or a small bottle. When the milk stops, move your fingers around to the next segment, treating the breast like an orange and juicing each segment. Keep expressing until the milk ceases, then move to the next segment. While compressing and releasing, gently push back into the rib cage, aiding milk flow. Express all sections of the breast, and when the milk stops on one side, move to the other breast, repeating the process.